So this is another fantastic update on Crosswallet, and we're gonna learn how to stake Crosswallet at 25% today. Looking at the prices for Crosswallet, it looks like it bounced out of that 17-cent support zone. A very, very healthy gain. We are cracking out of that downward trend by breaking that trend on the upside. It is seemingly quite strong. So if you look at the 3 months chart, we saw that resistance at 16, 17, 16 cents region here, and we're actually breaking out of that zone there. So could we possibly moon up to, 40 cents? I've had people comment on my video saying that it's gonna go up to like $10 or something. Hey, wouldn't that be awesome? So Crosswallet still is a very, very low market cap gem. I love what it promises to do, and I have a good amount of faith that they will do what they say they're gonna do. So we're gonna go into staking today, and we're gonna stake the Crosswallet coins that we already have. So this, I guess, is a how-to video on staking Crosswallet. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna connect the wallet. Okay, connect the wallet address, MetaMask, all that fun stuff. And I think this should be on the Binance Smart Chain exchange. Yes, it is. I have read the terms and conditions, kind of. And I'm just gonna max out my staking, and then boom, pre-authorization, wait for transaction to complete, yeah, whatever, next. And here we are. All right, approve the gas fee, and your APY now is at 25%. So it's better than nothing. It's not crazy high, some of the degen farming plays that we're seeing recently, but it is still something. So if you're gonna hold, like, why wouldn't you? There doesn't seem to be any lock-in periods or what have you. So that's all been confirmed. If you wanna go to unstake, then you can just follow the bouncing ball here again. And then, you can withdraw partial bits of your Crosswallet as well. So that's basically, oh wait, no, I haven't finished yet. I got to go back to stake, and I actually got to confirm it. The reason why I knew that is because I saw the staked was 0. So yeah, that's it, guys. So hopefully that should approve soon. Yeah, there's usually 2 steps with MetaMask. So there's like this approval, and then after your approval, there's the actual behavior of like actually staking the thing. So boom, success. So staked that many Crosswallet tokens, and I'm on my way to making some extra coin just from staking and holding my Crosswallet. So yeah, let's hope that this keeps mooning, and yeah, I think it'll do extremely well, guys. So not financial advice, do your own research. Just because you watch a video of me talking about something doesn't mean or you automatically go invest. Just do your own research. Make sure you're convinced it's a good project before you jump into it, and make sure you have the ability to hold. Altcoin investment is quite risky, so don't just trust what other people say. Go and do your own research. For those of you who don't know, the benchmark that I'm using against Crosswallet is Trustwallet and their size. So if we look at Trustwallet, yes, they do have their own token. And to be quite honest with you guys, Trustwallet is not even that great of a wallet. And it took out the browsing functionality on your iPhone and stuff like that. And its market cap is at like 400 million, which is quite crazy, guys. So I think in that sense, Crosswallet has a massive potential, especially with the cryptocurrency market bottoming out just yesterday. I think it was, Bitcoin bottoming out to that like 56, 57K. I think this would be a good dip to then reinvest. That isn't to say, just a quick update on Bitcoin, that isn't to say that we're not going to see another little dip on Bitcoin. So if we look at the past 3 months, this downward trend here, so we're expecting 5 different waves to show. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 potentially is concluded. Therefore, it's now on a strong trajectory up. That is one potential, but we may actually see the Bitcoin price actually correct down to that 53 to 54K potentially as well. And when that happens, all you got to do is just dollar cost average, because those are just sound investment principles, guys. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. That's how you stake Crosswallet. Hope you guys make moon-worthy gains out of Crosswallet, and let's all get rich together. Much love, guys. Peace.